All right. Hello everyone. So this has been overdue for a very long time, and my apologies. I was just trying to figure out the logistics as how to shoot review of this particular product. Okay. I've been suffering from the whiteheads and freckles since more than a decade, and I've been to over 7 dermatologists, and let me tell you, I have spent a lot of money during the last 10 years because if you are somebody who has acne or if you have skincare concerns, you would know how frustrating it is and how bad it is for your self-esteem. Since I've noticed some improvements in my skin issues in the last couple of months, and that's why I thought that when I was suffering, I spent I don't know how many hours searching for the remedies over YouTube, over internet. I did not leave any stone unturned, I can tell you that. So this is the reason I am putting all this out there. Some of you would know what glycolic peels are. The ones that we get at a dermatologist's clinic, they're much stronger than the ones that we get in like a small bottle, right? However, the downside of those chemical peels is that your skin peels like crazy. When this product was launched into the market, I had seen a couple of reviews, and at that time the reviews were not looking very good. But I don't know why I somehow had faith in this product because number one, it is an Indian brand, right? An Indian brand that is coming from a dermatologist's place, with the entire team of dermatologists working on it. I read about the founder as well, so she has done some pretty fantastic work as far as skincare is concerned. The reviews had come in just right after the product had launched, and I don't think people have had enough time to review this in a good way, because frankly this is a skincare product, so you cannot expect chamatkar एक बार में लगाने के बाद. So that's not something how skincare products work, right? You have to be diligent with them. They take some time to show results, and that's what happens with this product. I'm a sucker for good offers, okay? So although this retails for I think 849 rupees, I had received a discount on it because I use an app called Cred for credit card payments. So I just paid 350 rupees for this, right? So like a steal for me. So I have been using this from right before the lockdown. Okay, so since this has glycolic acid in it, as well as lactic acid, we're not supposed to use it every day or every other day. So what I do is I use it 3 times a week at most. I would say that I am using some other products as well, which have improved my skin over the last few months, but I would still like it a good enough credit that it has helped me quite a lot to get rid of uneven skin tone, for one. So I've noticed that. Number two, I have a lot of freckles growing up. Trust me, I have seen significant improvement, not just in my skin tone, but also in the lightening of the pigmentation that I have on my face, right? So these are like two very big benefits coming from just a small tube, right? Number three, what I really like about this product is that it is cruelty free. Okay, I think I've already told that it is an Indian brand. See, when you are using a lot of other serums on your face, after continuous usage, there is dead skin cell on your face, right? And if you are continuously using your serum on top of the dead skin, are you getting any benefit out of it? I don't think so. So it is important that the top layer of the skin is shed off, and for that we use exfoliation. Now there are two kinds of exfoliants. Number one are your physical exfoliants. That is something that we are all well versed with. And number two, which are now more frequently used, are chemical exfoliants. Now, why the world is switching to chemical exfoliants is these are mild on your skin. Although, you know, when you hear the word chemical, you would not feel that they would be gentle, but trust me, that is not the case. All such products which are launched in the market, there is a lot of study that goes on behind before, you know, the patents and things are done, and which then leads to launching of a new product in the market. Now, when I said that these are more mild on your skin, the reason for that is the physical exfoliants, you know, although we enjoy while we're using the physical exfoliants, but then you know, they can cause, and they do cause, like tiny ruptures or tiny cuts in your skin, which are going to be harmful to you in the long run, right? Number two, why they are bad? It's because they are not environmental friendly at all. Things that I wanted to talk to you today about, and I would suggest that you should definitely give this a try. One more thing, so a lot of the previous users had complained about the pump. The pump was a big issue with me during the start. It never used to work, so I just used to like open it like this and then use the product. It was not very convenient. This fell once, and after it took a tumble, it started to work just fine. One thing which is absolutely crucial is that you know, these acid peels, they basically make your skin more sensitive towards to the sunlight. And even though we are all indoors, but you have to put a sunscreen on every single day. So yeah, I will be talking a lot more about you know, other products which have helped me in clearing my issues. So it was finally very nice to do this today, because it was on my mind and I was kind of running crazy. Hope to see you guys soon. Stay indoors, stay safe. Bye.